The High Court has issued notices to Goa government and other respondent authorities in a public interest litigation challenging the plan of Goa government to expand the coal handling capacity at MPT. This PIL has been filed by the residents of Vasco. The petitioners have contended that Goa government has allowed the expansion of coal handling capacity from 10.6 million tons in the year 2023-2024 to 42.1 million tons by 2035. Petitioners have also contended that this decision to expand the coal handling at MPT is contrary to its own policy recommendations to relocate the coal handling from MPT. The High Court has given 4 weeks time to the respondents to file their affidavits and has adjourned the hearing for 11 September. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.